If you are also someone going through tough times in your life, then this video is for you. Please stick with the video until the very end of it so that you can understand that the pain that you're going through, the hardships that you're facing right now is trying to tell you a story, is trying to tell you something because nothing in life is random. Everything is trying to teach you something. So pain never comes alone. It always comes along with a purpose. Your pain always has a purpose. It's just that we are simply not aware of it yet. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Rashri. This is my first ever video that I'm shooting right now. All I'm doing is trying to give a shot to this thing called content creation. Let's see how this goes. However, I have a very great feeling that we're gonna go bigger on this platform. So, yeah, today in this video, we're going to talk about pain and the purpose behind it. See, I'm going to give a start to this video with one of the real life incidents. So, one of my friends, she was going through some real tough times in her life. Few months back, I've got this message and call from her where she was, continuously crying, telling me everything that she was going through. On the call, when I was listening to her, all that I've realized is that yes, absolutely, she's in trouble. She is going through like really hard time of her life because she has always been this lively, happily vibrant girl that I have ever seen in my life. But in that moment when I was listening to her, I could imagine that what she was going through, because there was this dullness in her voice. There is something missing. She was on the call, she was unrecognizable. So now, but there is one thing that I have realized on the call only, that yes, she is in trouble. उसके साथ बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, प्रॉब्लम है, सब कुछ है, बट शी इज़ नॉट फेसिंग इट. गिव यू अ सिनेरियो. आपके साथ बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, आप एक किसी प्रॉब्लम में हैं, आप स्टक हैं, और इन दैट मोमेंट ओके, माई फ्रेंड इज़ नॉट सम, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट उसके साथ कुछ हो गया है एंड दैट just a random thing that has happened with her and she's in trouble because of that. No, she's facing problem from all the ends is what I can say. चारों तरफ से प्रॉब्लम्स है एंड शी इज़ इन इट, बट शी इज़ नॉट फेसिंग इट. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? Because in my opinion, if you are in the pain, if you are going through hard times, the only way to get out of it, to just go get right through it. Okay, so if you're also someone watching this video going through some tough times in your life, I want to tell you that I can see you, I can feel you, I understand that it's tough, but you're tougher than that, my love. You can just you have it in you to come out of it. All you need to do is stop taking your life so unseriously, take your life seriously, and start finding out the solution. Because by doing nothing, all you're doing is saying yes to the problem, saying yes to that very discomfort that you are in right now. All you're doing is just telling God that I feel comfortable in this discomfort, I feel comfortable in this pain and problem, and I'm okay here. Because you're absolutely not taking any actions, you are not trying to find the solution to the problem, to the situation that you are in. And that is what my friend was doing. She was stuck, she was in that problem, she was actually in that situation for like quite, for like 5 and 6 years. But from past 7 months, हर कुछ उसके लिए और ज़्यादा ख़राब हो रहा है, हर कुछ उसके लिए बढ़ता जा रहा है. आप कब तक की सिचुएशन में रह सकते हैं? जब भगवान आपको समझाना चाह रहे हैं, भगवान चाह रहे हैं दैट आप इससे निकलें, वो आपको कुछ लेसन सिखाना चाह रहे हैं, वो आपको कुछ बताना चाह रहे हैं, बिकॉज आपके बहुत बड़े ड्रीम्स हैं. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू रीच एट द टॉप, you cannot be this mess there. Okay, you really need to go through whatever that you're going through so that you can learn the lessons, you can have the experiences, and you can actually be happy when you reach at the top. Imagine आप सक्सेसफुल हैं और आप उस सक्सेस को रीच करना चाहते हैं, बट आप लाइफ से सीखना नहीं चाहते हैं. अगर आप वहाँ तक पहुँच भी जाते हैं तो आपको ये सारी सिचुएशंस वहाँ फेस करनी पड़ेगी. डू यू थिंक दैट इतना हार्ड वर्क करने के बाद, एक एक लेवल पे पहुंचने के बाद, बीइंग एट दिस पोजीशन, do you really think that it's fair for you to not be happy and just deal with all these rubbish and stupid things that we as a human being go through when initially we start our life? No, right? According to me, it's not fair. So as soon as I went to my friend's place, I have I've seen her and I was like, you are unrecognizable right now. I cannot recognize you. I felt I saw a human being, what but with no soul left. She was going through everything that you can imagine right now. As an adult that you go through, whatever that you go through, just imagine. She was going through everything, financial crisis, मम्मी पापा से लड़ाई झगड़ा, family wounds, father wounds, mother wounds, siblings के साथ नहीं बनना, breakup हो जाना, friendships में betrayals face करना. She was going through everything that one individual can go through in an entire lifetime. Okay, that was the phase of her life. In that moment, um, I've as I've said earlier also, that I've realized that she was in it, but she was not facing. All she was doing is trying to escape from the reality, trying to escape and run away from that one situation. And I'm not a friend who will try to console you, telling you something that you want me to say in that moment. My presence triggers growth. I just know it. My presence demands person to be honest with themselves. Okay, that is me. So me being me, I've asked her this one simple question, and I was like, you take a deep breath, you go, freshen up, come back, take a deep breath, and tell me that if you're ready to have this conversation with me, because I'm not going to make it easier for you, because I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm going to tell you something that I can feel in this moment, but I don't think that you're ready for it. Because जब भी आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों से गुजर रहे होते हैं, आप चाहो या ना चाहो, विक्टिम मेंटालिटी जनरेट हो जाती है. यू फील दैट सब कुछ आप ही के साथ पूरा हो रहा है, एंड यू सीक्स वैलिडेशन एंड सिंपैथी फ्रॉम पीपल. विक्टिमाइजेशन आपका डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म बन जाता है. सो उस टाइम पे you cannot take criticism. उस टाइम पे you really want someone to come and tell you something that can massage your ego, because that is what you're looking for. So I have asked my friend that one question that was running in my mind, and the question was, just tell me what you want from your life right now. Tell me with utmost honesty what you want. You want to get out of it, like a permanent solution that you're seeking. Just tell me. Or if you want to escape it, run away from it, you want to try and find some excuses, or try to find some reason so that you can run away from, maybe from this confrontation that you're supposed to be doing right now, maybe from this relationship, friendships, maybe from anything that the situation that you are in, what you're looking for. Do you really want to get out of it, or you just want to escape it? Because escaping it, running away from it, is a temporary thing. Okay, according to me, it's the illusion that you're looking for. You really want to live in that illusion, and you're really happy being there. Is If that is what you want, then whatever that you're doing right now is completely fine. Because in that moment, trust me, my friend was doing this, drinking, smoking. She has she's been talking some boys, and seeking validation from them, having conversation with them. She's in situationship and this and that. She has started partying. She's not hitting the gym, she's not doing her yoga, she is not doing anything that she used to do before the situation has arrived. She has completely changed. That is why I'm saying that she was unrecognizable in that moment. So she's just finding all the reasons so that she can escape the reality, so that she doesn't have to face what is there right in front of her. She was trying to find all kind of excuses. So I've asked her, if you want to run away from the situation, then whatever that you are doing is completely fine. Please choose this only. This is the only way you can escape from the reality. But कब तक इट विल गोइंग टू हिट यू, इट विल गोइंग टू हिट यू इवन हार्डर. जब नशा उतर जाएगा, जब पार्टी ख़त्म हो जाएगी, जब जिन लोगों से आप बात कर रहे हो वो चले जाएंगे, कुछ भी जो टेम्पररी चीज़ें आपने जिन जिन इल्यूशंस को आपने अपने से बांध के रखा हुआ है, द इल्यूशन विल फॉल आउट. ओके, एंड रियलिटी विल हिट यू इवन हार्डर. एंड आपको लगेगा 2026 आ गया, 27 आ गया, एंड यू स्टिल देयर, यू हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग, यू स्टिल स्टक एंड स्टैग्नेंट इन दैट वन फ्रिकिंग प्रॉब्लम that is there. It's not going nowhere. And how will you come out of that problem? Because in order to come out of that problem, you need to face it. See, anyone who is watching this video, If you are also someone going through tough times in your life, the only way to get out of it, to just go get right through it. There is no other way. This is the only way. Just go through it, face it, feel it. Do not try to escape. Do you really think that you can escape the life? Do you really think that you can escape the reality of the life? Like, seriously? Events in your life are destined to happen. There are few major events that gonna go happen in your life no matter what. Nobody can change that. But apart from those events, whatever that you do creates your reality. Life is not always coming at you. Sometimes it comes from you. Most of the times it comes from you. You will always see the choice of doing this or doing that. What you choose is what you become. What you choose is what going to shape your reality. So you better choose wisely. This I've said to my friend, that if you want to get out of it, choose to get out of it. Face it. What you're doing right now is not working out for you, and that is why you are stuck in the morning and you're just doom scrolling, you're watching Netflix. Do you think that this is going to help you? No, my love, this is not going to help you. If you're also someone who is watching this and doing all these things, then this is not going to help you. Face your problem, face your challenges. Pain has a purpose. God is trying to tell you something through that pain. Purpose of the pain and suffering is not to break you. It's to make you bigger, wiser, bolder, and kinder version of yourself. But if you will not make the right choice, आप उसी पैटर्न में फॉल करोगे, और वो पैटर्न जब तक आप उससे सीख नहीं जाते वो वहीं पर रहने वाला है. So I know the situation is tough, but you're tougher than that. This is what pain is trying to tell you, that this pain doesn't define you. The reactions that are coming in, the betrayals that are coming in the past, the trauma, the wounds that you're surviving doesn't define you. It's everything is just trying to shape you. Everything is trying to make you remember who you actually are. Sometimes the purpose of pain is that simple. Something is happening with you, you're suffering from the situation, and suddenly something happens and that illusion fades away. That illusion falls out and you can see the reality. That is the purpose of the pain, to show you the reality of anyone, reality of any situation. Sometimes it includes the reality of you yourself, because you think the world keeps telling you you need to be this and that, and you simply be that version. You actually are becoming others version of yourself, and pain and suffering and challenges and obstacles are trying to tell you that see beyond. This is just an illusion. These people are trying to use you. This is not you. This is not your sole purpose. Whatever you are doing right now, you might be settling for something less, so that obstacles kept coming, so that God uses those obstacles as an opportunity to tell you that, my love, you cannot settle for something so less. Whatever that you're doing is not your sole purpose. You are walking the wrong path. You're not on the right path right now. So choice is in your hand. Choices is given to you. Choose wisely. This is what I have said to my friend, and she really wanted to hear my point of view, and she was thinking that I would make it easier for her. Like, how can I make something easy for you when it's your life, when it's your choice? You are the one who's been choosing this life. You're the one who is just making these choices. You chose that for you. I cannot change anything. All I can do is I can tell you what I feel about the situation. And I've said this to my friend, that I understand that you're going through things, but you're not facing it, and that is the problem. That right here is the problem, and that is why from past 6 7 months you're facing, you're seeing this situation getting even worse, because you're not choosing right thing. You're not making right choices. You're not being mindful, and you're not doing it wisely. Trust me, that day we have actually communicated a lot. We have discussed so many things. She understood my point of view, and I've actually made her understand that at अभी इस टाइम पर शी इज़ इवन नॉट रेडी टू हैव दिस कॉन्वर्जेशंस. ओके, व्हेन यू गो थ्रू अ लॉट और समथिंग दैट इज़ हैपनिंग अराउंड यू, एंड व्हेन आपको पूरी दुनिया कह रही है कि जो भी हो रहा है सब सही हो रहा है, एक दिन सब ठीक हो जाएगा, दिस इज अ वन लाइफ एंड एंजॉय इट इवन व्हेन नथिंग, यू हैव नो रीजंस टू एक्चुअली एंजॉय, बट दिस इज व्हाट यू डू टू स्केप द रियलिटी. जब जब भी आप उस स्केपिज्म से बाहर आएंगे, रियलिटी विल हिट यू इवन हार्डर. That is what she was going through. That day, actually, we have actually discussed a lot of things, and she actually decided that she will stop doing all that she's doing right now in this moment. Uske baad se, from I think it's been 4 5 months, I've got a message from her today, and that is why I'm making this video, because whatever I've said to her at that point in time, I've made her understand that, you know, whatever that you're going through is trying to tell you something, and you really need to just understand what that thing is. The purpose behind that pain and suffering is, I cannot tell you that. Okay, it's yours to find. It is yours to figure out. Please do it. Sit with yourself. Okay, I have asked my friend to sit with herself for like 30 minutes in a day, without any coffee, without any book, no music, no phone, no gadgets nearby. Just sit with yourself. Ask questions to yourself. Sometimes, when you're just alone with yourself, and when you go in that mode of self introspection, trust me, you find the answers. Because the journey is not external, the journey is always internal. Nothing that you think around you is going to shape, is going to tell you the truth. If you think that the answers that you seek, you will find them here in this world, no, you will always find everything within: the happiness, the peace, the answers, the love, the courage, the confidence. Nobody will going to come and tell you that this is what you're supposed to do. Even if they will come and tell you, if it's not meant for you, it will not going to happen. You will not walk that path if it's not for you. So what is for you? How will you find that out? Why you are going through all these things without any reason? You, a lot of time we go through a lot of things and we feel that ये मेरे साथ हो क्यों रहा है, मैंने तो कभी किसी के साथ बुरा नहीं करा, मैं कभी किसी के लिए कुछ गलत नहीं सोचता. Why still am I going through all of that? See, that first start asking that question to yourself. The minute you ask that question to yourself is the minute you will get closer to the answer. That is the very moment that is required, but a lot of times we don't even do that. So just go through whatever that you're going through. Take a deep breath before reacting to any situation, before reacting to any person. You know, just take a deep breath, pause, and ask yourself why you're going through that, why this person is telling me this thing when I have not done that, why they are trying to give me these names when I'm not that person, why I am being put in that situation, what the situation is trying to tell me, what this person is trying to tell me. Everything is trying to tell you something, everything is trying to make you understand something. Okay, everything, everyone that you encounter every day, nothing is random in life. Nothing, I'm telling you, nothing in life is random. Okay, everything is trying to tell you something. You really need to understand what it is. For that, you really need to sit with yourself. Distractions se dur ho. Focus on yourself, focus on your suffering, focus on your challenges. Sometimes problem is not that big. The solution demands courage. The solution demands confidence, because that solution can actually break generational curses. That solution can actually break stereotypes, and you can set some different norms for yourself, for others. What if you're meant to inspire others? What if you are the chosen one, and God is trying to test you, God is trying to make you understand that you really need to understand who you are, and you're not what this world keeps telling you. You're beyond that, but you're not recognizing your potential. Sometimes the purpose of pain is to make you understand your potential. Sometimes it's that simple that you ask that question, that who you are, and take that quantum jump internally again. Take that quantum jump and just, walk the path towards divine. Pain, suffering, challenges, obstacles are always trying to tell you something. It's better that you choose something that actually makes an impact on you, on others, in your life. I'm getting one thing in my head. I think I should just say a lot of you all must have heard this tunnel theory, and this quote. I think people keep saying this, that there is always a light at the end of the tunnel, right? Sometimes the purpose of pain is that simple. It's not here to see, pain is not here to break you, right? It's here to make you wiser, so what if you're looking for light in others and around you? What if you are just seeking light here and there, while you yourself is the light that we need, that this world needs? ठीक है? Not sometimes you just go and reach at that other end of the tunnel and you realize you never needed that sun to shine brightly upon you. You were the sunshine of your life, and you still are, and you always will be. It's just that you were unaware of it. So let's say आपकी एक फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने आपको कॉल किया है, दे रियली नीड योर हेल्प, and you're as someone who always ready for help, you really want to help them. Now let's imagine you're a guy watching this video, gender like a female friend. Now 2 in the morning, they're there somewhere standing all alone. They really need your help. They really are worried and scared and afraid. Okay, now you said on the call that you're coming and you will help them. आप उनकी मदद करना चाहते हैं, आप अपनी गाड़ी लेके निकल गए, आपकी गाड़ी रास्ते में ख़राब हो जाती है, ठीक है? आपकी गाड़ी रास्ते में ख़राब हो गई है, आप अपना फ़ोन या तो अपने घर पर भूल कर आ गए हैं, या फिर आपके फ़ोन का बैटरी डाउन है. सी ऑल आई एम डूइंग इज़ आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक दिस सिचुएशन वर्स. ओके, जैसा हमारी लाइफ में होता है, जब एक प्रॉब्लम आती है तो चारों तरफ से प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है. हमें क्या करना है, हमारा गोल है. गोल क्या है? फ्रेंड्स के पास, उस फ्रेंड के पास जाना है, हमें उसकी मदद करना है. लाइफ में हमारा गोल क्या है? हमें सक्सेसफुल होना है. हमारा गोल है लाइफ में कुछ करना, लाइफ में वो करना जो हम चाहते हैं, जिसे हम पसंद करते हैं, राइट? सो इन दिस सिचुएशन, जो एग्जाम्पल मैं भी दे रही थी, उसमें योर गोल इज़ टू रीच योर फ्रेंड एंड हेल्प हर. इट्स 2 in the morning, शी इज़ ऑल अलोन देयर स्टैंडिंग वेटिंग फॉर यू. नाउ आपकी गाड़ी ख़राब हो चुकी है, आपके पास मोबाइल नहीं है, आप उससे इन्फॉर्म नहीं कर सकते दैट यू वोंट बी एबल टू मेक इट, आप उसकी हेल्प नहीं कर पाएंगे, एंड ऑल्सो आसपास कोई है भी नहीं जिससे आप लिफ्ट लेके आप उनके पास चले जाएं. बट वॉट यू सी अ टनल. ओके, आपको एक टनल दिख रही है, एंड आपको लग रहा है, आपको पता है दैट इसके उस पार आप उस तक पहुंच जाएंगे, इजीली पहुंच जाएंगे. यू जस्ट हैव टू क्रॉस दिस टनल. नाउ इट्स ऑल डार्क अराउंड यू, एंड लेट्स से यू आर अ क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक पर्सन. आपको डार्कनेस से बहुत डर लगता है. आप कहीं पे लाइट नहीं है, आपको पता है आपको उस तरफ जाना है, आपको अपने फ्रेंड की मदद करनी है. गोल इज राइट देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. यू ऑल्सो नो वॉट यू सपोज टू डू, what is required in that moment so that you can reach at the other end of the tunnel, right? You know everything, but you are stuck and stagnant here at this end of the tunnel. You know why? Because you have a fear. You're claustrophobic. आप डार्कनेस में एक सेकेंड के लिए भी अपने को इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते, बट अभी तक आपने वहाँ पर कदम भी नहीं रखा है. But you're still thinking that somehow if you will take that step, you will die. This is what you think. And you're just thinking. आपने कोई एक्शन लिया नहीं है, but you're just thinking. लाइफ में यही होता है, लाइफ की सिचुएशन यही है दैट आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है, सिचुएशन आपके सामने, प्रॉब्लम भी आपके सामने, सोल्यूशन भी आपके सामने, बट दैट सोल्यूशन राइट हियर डिमांड्स करेज एंड कॉन्फिडेंस. दैट सोल्यूशन is demanding courage that comes from within, right? It's you really don't, nobody can come and boost your confidence and courage and tell you that now walk the path, now I'll be the light, I will show you the light, and you just walk and reach the other end of the tunnel. Nobody will come and do that for you. You really need to find out that courage within. So here at this end of the tunnel, fear, guilt, fear of dying, fear, guilt of not being able to help your friend, is everything is just running in your head. You're stuck and stagnant there. सो जितना टाइम आप ज़्यादा सोचेंगे आप उतनी टाइम तक यहाँ पर स्टक रहेंगे। सुबह हो जाएगी, आपकी फ्रेंड के साथ हो सकता है कुछ भी हो जाए, या फिर वो खुद अपनी हेल्प करे, फिर कुछ भी उस एंड पे क्या हो रहा है उससे आपको फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है, बट आपको पता है दैट आपको उस एंड तक जाना है, बट आप में हिम्मत नहीं है। थिंकिंग सो मच एंड यू नो थिंकिंग दैट प्रॉब्लम इज सो बिग, आपने वो स्टेप लिया ही नहीं, आपने वहाँ तक उस कॉर्नर तक भी गए नहीं, आप उस टनल के एंट्री पॉइंट पे भी नहीं गए और आप ये सब कुछ सोच रहे हैं। But somehow something happens and you tell yourself that you can do it, and you muster that courage and you take that very step, and you closed your eyes and you keep running and running. It's you facing the problem, telling you face your problem, face your challenges like that. आपको लगता है आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा, आपको लगता है yes it is going to create a lot of discomfort, but that discomfort is better than this discomfort over here where you are stuck and stagnant and you are continuously in fear. That discomfort is ridiculous, but that discomfort of facing your challenge is 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 actually amazing. It actually fuels you, it actually unlock that potential within you. When you go to that tunnel, when you take that very step, and when you're like moving and running and continuously you're trying to reach that end of the tunnel so that you can help your friend, आप जब choose करते हो to face that challenge, situation will get tough, it will get worse, trust me. आपको darkness haunt कर रहा है, but आप you have not died, okay, you have still survived, let's say 30 second, 45 second. So if you have done that, you can survive even more. So you run even faster so that you can reach the other end of the tunnel, राइट, यू कैन जस्ट यू आर रनिंग इवन फास्टर सो दैट आप वहाँ पे बहुत जल्दी पहुँच पाए। एक पॉइंट आएगा व्हेन यू आर जस्ट ओवर टू रीच that end of the tunnel, but you will feel like giving up. This is what happens in life sometimes when we are just over to come out of the situation. It takes so much away from us that while being in that process we have lost so much. When you reach that saturation point where you feel like you should give up and this is not your cup of tea, अगर आपने वहाँ पे गिव अप नहीं करा ना, यू कम आउट स्ट्रॉन्गर, you come out wiser and kinder. The strength, the courage that you gain there in that moment, trust me, that is what the purpose of pain is. Sometime to make you realize that what you are and this is who you are. You really don't need no one. You really never needed that torch or sunlight to shine brightly upon you inside that tunnel. You were the light. Your inner light is brighter than any sunshine. Imagine moon seeking for a light from someone. Moon itself is luminous. मून को लाइट की ज़रूरत नहीं है किसी और से लेने की, राइट? सो यू डोंट सीक दैट लाइट externally, it's already within. Sometimes the purpose of pain is that simple, to make you realize your superpower. Now you reach at that end of the tunnel, you take deep breath, you see some lights and you can see your friend, you have helped them. उस मोड़ से जब आप पीछे देख रहे हैं आपको कुछ नहीं दिखेगा। यहाँ इस एंड at this end of the tunnel you're unrecognizable. You're not someone who is made up of fear, and you're not afraid of darkness. The whatever that happens just now, that process was required to make you realize who you are. That world kept telling you that you're not courageous, that you're claustrophobic, that you won't be able to survive in darkness, and that fear of darkness actually was there for a longer period of time. So God has chosen this way out to make you understand that कोई fear नहीं है. No fear is bigger than the courage that you have within. This darkness is not going to take away anything from you, because you are the light that was actually needed. That is the purpose of the pain, to make you realize who you are, to make you realize your superpowers, to make you realize how courageous you are, what strength you have within. Sometimes it's making you realize that you have that strong willpower and you can survive anything. Pain always comes with a purpose, suffering always comes with a solution. It's just that you really need to execute, you really need to take that very step and move forward with confidence and with courage and with kindness in your heart. Reach that other end of the tunnel, knowing the greatness that you have within. Okay, so pain is always trying to teach you. Pain has a purpose. Nothing that you go through is random in life. That is what I wanted to say over here. See you in my next video. This is it for today, and if something I can improve in my content, I would love to have your feedbacks as well. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day, enormous luck, and just take care of yourself and do what you love. Bye bye.